It's a zombie soot. Hopefully you can see that on the GoPro. I haven't caught one like that yet. Yep. Oh yep. Nice sooty on, guys. Super pumped. Ah, always got a poo on me. Nice, looking good. Hey guys, what's going on? Twisted Energy here. Back down at the freshwater again. You see we got the kayak with us. Got cheese, lures. Get in the water and let's go get us some sooties. That's the plan anyway. See how we go, guys. Holy shit. So I kind of fell off then. Alright, let's do this. Always bloody smudgies on you. It's better! Alright, let's go, guys. Go check this river out. Hopefully we've got clearance through here. It's been a while since I've been out in the kayak, I know that. This is the first kayak video in a while. You can probably notice it. My paddle's a bit broken. I snapped it in a video that I never brought out. We come fishing up the river in the kayak and I actually didn't catch any fish, so I didn't want to release that video. There was a funny bit in it where my paddle snapped. So if you're watching this dragon kayak, you feel like sending me another paddle, that'd be excellent. Get up on the knees and get some power. Alright. There we go. Oh yeah. Let's have a stand-up cast, eh? Oh yeah. Get this back in here. There's definitely bites happening now. Yep, we are fish on, guys. Flexing that rod. Nice sooty. That's what I'm talking about. Our first in the boat, guys. In the kayak, sorry. Call this a boat. Settle, mate, settle. You're a nice size too. Nice little fight. Straight in the corner of the mouth with the hook. Good hook up. There you go, guys. Hopefully the front cam's still going. Nice soot. Just what we come down here for. Beautiful fish. Let this fella go. Another cast of that fella, far out. Give me another one and I'll move on. Yep. Nice soot again, guys. Oh, they're jumping everywhere. Awesome. Oh, what happened to this fella? What the hell? I caught one of those zombie fish. No way. It's a zombie sooty. Might give me a disease or something. You can keep the cheese, mate. That's yours. What the hell? Look at that, guys. It's a zombie soot. Hopefully you can see that on the GoPro. I haven't caught one like that yet. Catch you later, zombie fish. Don't want to pepper a spot too much, we'll leave that spot alone and get up to this nice big snag coming up. This corner here has got some big snags underneath the water. Hopefully they're still there. Doesn't even look like we can stand up here anymore. Ready? Oh, that's in the zone. Straight in the zone. Whoa, whoa. Something big over there in the water. Yep. Oh, yep. Nice sooty on, guys. Nice. Oh, this one's not a zombie soot. Don't poo on me, mate. Just want to show you the camera. Laters, mate. Till next time. Alright guys, let's get a massive cube on here. Biggest cube I got. Now we are using 12-pound mono today, guys, and I've got the drag locked because I don't want these sooties running back into the sticks. So if we get busted, it's got to be a pretty decent sized sooty. Oh, like that. Oh yeah. Nice one. That's what I'm talking about. You. Oh, he's nice. Out of them weeds, mate. Wow, he's a good size. Check that out, guys. Bloody awesome. Nice size sooty. Just smashed it over there at the snags. Little stonker. Yeah. Alright, we'll let this fella go. See you later, mate. You! That was awesome. Oh, spewing. We're out of battery, guys, on the GoPro. And I've got no head mount that fits this one, so that's a bit of a sucker. Bit sucky. Might sit yous up here. Hopefully you can still see all the action from here. I'll just spin that a bit. Alright. Oh, yep, that's a big one. Oh, he felt much bigger. Another nice little soot. I'm not sure how many that is for the day. 5, I think. Still got the cheese in his mouth. Oh no. There you go, guys. Another nice little sooty. Absolutely beautiful fish to catch. They fight very hard for what they are. Absolutely kicker of a fish. Let him go. See you later, mate. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I think a few more flicks yet, guys, before we head off. Oh, yep, there he is. Away from them logs. Another one, guys. Don't bite the hook, mate. I'm trying to let you go. There you go, another sooty, about the same size as the last one. Awesome, guys. So glad they're back on the bite again with all these floods around. It's been months and months coming to catch a heap of these. Super pumped. Ah, always got a poo on me. Far out, man. Why?
Why do you all poo on me?
I'll let you go too, mate. Catch you later. You! Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh well. Might have to be it for today, guys. We end up hooking 6 sooties or 7, something like that. I'll have to look at the footage and add them up. It's been a top day down here. Absolutely pumped to hook those fish. Haven't hooked. Man, there's something big over there in the grass, behind that grass there, splashing around the water. We'll have to have a look before we go. But like I was saying, we've had a top day down here, guys. Heaps of good soots. It's been real fun bringing the kayak out. I haven't had a chance to do that in a couple months, so totally rapt about that. One more thing before we go. I entered one of my videos into a competition on Fish Flicks and they accepted it, which is super, super cool. I got a chance to win $5,000 worth of camera equipment and fishing gear of your choice. So I'm going to leave a link in the description anyway, guys. If you want to go give me a vote on Fish Flicks, it'd really help me out and would be much appreciated. If you've enjoyed hanging out, smash the like button for me. And if you haven't already, please subscribe for more content. Till next time. No way, guys. Definitely did not expect that. I'm just on my way heading back to the car and I had my line out trolling and we hooked this lad. Awesome. I had the lure sitting about 3-4 meters behind the kayak and boom, smashed a nice little perch, guys. That's your spangled perch. Bloody awesome. See you later, mate. I'll keep pressing back to the car. If I hook another one, I'll bring yous back again. Check that out.
What I thought. Stop.